Good morning, class 5 students. Today I'm going to teach you conjunctions, chapter 11. Now, what is the conjunction? A conjunction is a word or a group of words that can join other words or groups or words or sentences. So, a conjunction therefore helps us to make what we want to say, make it shorter and more specific or more pointed. So, let us look at the examples. Anjali and Shanti went home. Now, in this sentence, and apparently joins two words, Anjali and Shanti. Now, and here it joins two words, Anjali and Shanti. But it has actually been used to join two sentences. Anjali went home, Shanti also went home. Anjali went home, first sentence, Shanti went home, second sentence. So, and is used here to join both the sentences together to make it shorter. Now let's look at example B. This chair is old but comfortable. This chair is old but comfortable. Similarly, in B, but has been used to join two sentences. This chair is old, this chair is comfortable. So, to join both these sentences, the first sentence is the chair is old, this chair is old, this chair is comfortable. Second sentence. So, but is used to join both these sentences. Now, let's go to C. Too much food and lack of exercise made Jack fat or made Javed fat. However, now in C, however, and joins two groups of words or phrases. There are two groups of words or phrases. Too much food, lack of exercise. Okay? Too much food and lack of exercise. Because this sentence cannot really be split into two separate sentences like too much food made Jack fat, lack of exercise made Javed fat, lack of exercises or exercise made Javed fat. Now Javed is fat because of two reasons working together here. What are the two reasons? Too much food and lack of exercise. If Javed had exercised, probably too much food would not have been made him fat. If Javed had eaten less, probably only lack of exercise would not have made him fat. Since the two reasons go hand in hand, they cannot be stated in two separate sentences. Now let us turn the page. Now some conjunctions are made up of more than one word. Some of the conjunctions are made up of more than one word. Sita was not only intelligent but also hardworking. You see, there are two words here. Not only but also. Not only was Sita intelligent, but she was also hardworking. Now let's look at the other one. Not only was Raj careless, but he was also lazy. Not only, but, and also. Kalyan can stay either here or at a hotel. See, Kalyan, now either or. Now let's look at the other one. Neither Sham nor his brother was at home. No, neither. The wise king treated everybody alike, the rich as well as the poor. Hardly had I reached home before I received the news of the accident. Now, hardly and before. I had hardly reached home before I received the news of the accident. No sooner had the match started than it began to rain. No sooner and then. The match had no sooner started than it began to rain. Now note that if a sentence begins with not only, hardly, no sooner, or scarcely, the helping verb comes before the subject here. Okay, the helping verb comes before the subject. Now, given below is a list of words and phrases that are commonly used as conjunctions. These words you should learn up and keep this in mind. Now, warning, some of these Words and phrases can also be used as preposition. They can also be used as preposition and or adverbs. Now, some of these words can be used as preposition and also adverbs. Remember that a conjunction, main point is the conjunction joins, only joins. A preposition tells us where somebody or something is. This is the difference. A conjunction only joins, while a preposition tells us where somebody or something is, where something happens or somebody does something, or the direction or place from which somebody or something is coming, or the direction in which the place where somebody or something is going. This is very important for you to learn, and keep this mind. Keep this in mind. Try and understand this and keep this in mind while using conjunctions, especially while you are using conjunctions. Now join each pair of sentences with the conjunction given in brackets. Now Arpita was crying. She had lost a pen. Now the answer is Arpita was crying because she had lost her pen. Arpita was crying because she had lost a pen. Now let's look at the second one. This room is small. It is very bright and airy. This room is small but very bright and airy. Let's look at the third one. Hari was angry. He kept quiet. Though Hari was angry, he kept quiet. Now let's look at the fourth one. Ratan is young, he is foolish, not only but also. Now let's see. Ratan is not only young but also foolish. Okay, that is one way to put it. Ratan is not only young but also foolish. And another way to put it also is not only is Ratan young but also he is foolish. So two ways you can write this answer. Ratan is not only young but also foolish, and the other way you can write it, not only is Ratan young but he is also foolish. Let's look at the fifth one. The sun rose, the clouds disappeared. When the sun rose, the clouds disappeared. When the sun rose, the clouds disappeared. Number 6. Please drink your tea. It is getting cold. The answer is please drink your tea for it is getting cold. Let's get to 7. You must finish this work. Then you can go home. You must finish this work before you can go home. You must finish this work before you can go home. Now let's look at 8. Sanjeev is a good footballer. His brother is a good footballer also. Now Sanjeev as well as his brother is a good footballer. Sanjeev as well as his brother is a good footballer. Let's go to 9. June had left the house. She remembered that she had left the keys on the table. June had hardly left the house before she remembered that she had left the keys on the table. Now that is one answer. The other answer can be hardly had June left the house before she remembered that she had left the keys on the table. Now this question you can write two answers here. Now let's go to 10. Think carefully, then make up your mind. Think carefully before you make up your mind. Think carefully before you make up your mind. Let's go to number 11. You want to wait in the library, you must keep quiet. If you want to wait in the library, you must keep quiet. If you want to wait in the library, you must keep quiet. Now number 12. The show was over, the crowd went home. After the show was over, the crowd went home. Now let's look at 13. It was a beautiful day. We decided to go on a picnic. Let's see the answer. As it was a beautiful day, we decided to go on a picnic. As. Number 14. We waited, the bus came. We waited till the bus came. He waited till the bus came. Number 15. Gopalan can stay, he can go home. Gopalan can stay or he can go home. Number 16. Do not kill the snake, it is harmless. Do not kill the snake because it is harmless. Number 17. His head touched the pillow, he fell asleep. Hardly had his head touched the pillow before he fell asleep. That is one way of giving the answer. Second way is his head had hardly touched the pillow before he fell asleep. So over here also you can give two types of answers. Number 18. The jungle is dense, it is full of wild animals. The jungle is not only dense but also full of wild animals. That is one type of answer. The other answer will give you, not only is the jungle dense but also full of wild animals. Now number 19. Number 19. Gold is a precious metal. Silver is a precious metal. Now gold and silver are precious metals. Gold and silver are precious metals. Now let's go to 20. The thief saw the police coming, he ran away. As soon as the thief saw the police coming, he ran away. As soon as the thief saw the police coming, he ran away. Let's go to 21. Kartika reached the station. The train started. Scarcely had Kartika reached the station when the train started. That's one way of putting it. The other way of putting it, Kartika had scarcely reached the station when the train had started. Number 22. A musician may be great, he has to practice hard. Though a musician may be great, he has to practice hard. Though a musician may be great, he has to practice hard. Number 23. One should not waste water, it is precious. One should not waste water, for it is precious. For it is precious. Number 24. Rima sat down to have a dinner. The bell rang again. No sooner had Rima sat down to have a dinner than the bell rang again. No sooner had Rima sat down to have a dinner than the bell rang again. Number 25. The tiger came near the baby. He turned and went away. The tiger came near the baby, but turned and went away. But turned and went away. Number 26. Dipti went for a walk every morning. She wished to keep fit. Dipti went for a walk every morning in order to keep fit. In order to keep fit. 27. All the members are present. We can start the meeting. Since all the members are present, we can start the meeting. Number 28. The question seems difficult. The answer is simple. Though the question seems difficult, the answer is simple. Number 29. Please call the doctor immediately. The patient is feeling unwell. Please call the doctor immediately, for the patient is feeling unwell. For the patient is feeling unwell. Number 30. As soon as the bell rang, the children rushed out of the classrooms. The bell rang, the children rushed out of the classroom. So, as soon as the bell rang, the children rushed out of the classrooms. So, today this chapter. Next day I will give you the exercises in the next class. So, watch this video, keep your book open to chapter 11 and try and understand, and while listening to my lesson, keep your book open and look at the pages and try and understand. So have a great day. and bye for now.